Hello, DTM Sujata. I was waiting to ask you something. I was browsing through our District 105 website today and I saw something called an elevator pitch, which every club has to do before 15th of this month. Can you tell me what exactly is an elevator pitch?
Hey, Aparna. Okay, an elevator pitch is a short speech made to a person who you want to impress. It should be less than 30 seconds, 75 words, or 5 to 7 sentences. And it should contain a brief introduction, name, some statistics, unique facts, past experiences, and future benefits. Call for action is very important. What's the challenge that you will help solve? Use emotion and intelligence to arrive at a very well structured pitch. Now, why don't you use these tips and create a pitch for the district?
Wow, you made it sound so simple, DTM Sujata. Let me give it a try. District 105 has always been one of the top performing districts of Toastmasters International. The growth of the district has been amazing. Currently, we are spread across 4 countries with 8 divisions. We have energetic officers to lead, and we have clubs that operate in different languages like English, Arabic, French, Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, with over 2,600 plus members and still counting. What does this mean? More opportunities to network and collaborate. So, what are you waiting for? Come, join us and make your journey exhilarating, enjoyable, and elevating.